I got an email from Anker service team and they asked me to take a video whether it's a fully charged it. So I'm gonna show the current problem. So I'm gonna turn it on now. Okay, there's no any sounds coming out. Okay, now I show you the battery level is fully charged it, and I'm gonna pairing with a speaker. Connected. So let me play some music. There's no any sounds coming out. Volume up. Yeah, either I put the volume down, it's working, but there's no any sounds coming up. That's all.